Hello friends, let's learn some 50 words with letter I. I is for ice. Ice. I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for ink. Ink. I is for iron. Iron. I is for insect. Insect. I is for island. Island. I is for iris. Iris. I is for invite. Invite. I is for ill. Ill. I is for idea. Idea. I is for inch. Inch. I is for inside. Inside. I is for instant. Instant. I is for Indian. Indian. I is for interest. Interest. I is for invent. Invent. I is for iceberg. Iceberg. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. I is for initial. Initial. I is for imagine. Imagine. I is for imprint. Imprint. I is for important. Important. I is for improve. Improve. I is for instrument. Instrument. I is for invisible. Invisible. I is for imitate. Imitate. I is for infinity. Infinity. I is for illusion. Illusion. I is for information. Information. I is for identify. Identify. I is for intelligent. Intelligent. I is for intention. Intention. I is for illustration. Illustration. I is for industry. Industry. I is for infection. Infection. I is for inspiration. Inspiration. I is for instruction. Instruction. I is for interact, interact. I is for imagination, imagination. I is for integration, integration. I is for invitation, invitation. I is for isolation, isolation. I is for introduction, introduction. I is for irregular, irregular. I is for irrigate, irrigate. I is for irritate, irritate. I is for ideal, ideal. I is for individual, individual. I is for iguana, iguana. So children, in today's video, we learned some 50 words with letter I. I hope you learned something new with me today. This is it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.